until one is a governor. You know, I was a member of parliament. We were selfish at that time. We will oppose anything going to the counties in brief view that there is a lot of theft in the counties. But indeed, as you're putting, when you get yourself there, that's the time you realize the reality comes to you. What were you opposing? Basically, as you put it, roads are either national or counties. And Umtata here, that's where you can be able to help us in either getting the interpretation of the law.
No, but you came with two lawyers here, legal and legal advisor. Why do you need Umtata's help?
Umtata, you know, does it for bono.
There was litigation.
The government.
There was litigation on that issue, which somebody initiated, and it's the Council of Governors which compromised it.
Yes.
Somebody is going to litigate that matter. And it's the Council of Governors which compromised it for low-hanging fruit. Instead of going for the whole tree, they took a fruit.
And that's on record.
And abandoned the tree.
We will look at it.
Governor, again, you're accusing other people, and yet you guys agreed on some settlements so that you can look good in the eyes of the government.
For sure, Chair, even when we are seated here, by the time you'll get us in as a governor, Oma Bay soon, all Onyonka in the future, if he becomes the governor of Kisii, all Tharakanidi as a governor, that's the reality will down on you on how the counties are and how difficult you'll be able to deal with the issues as they are. But I'm happy you have been true to the spirit of devolution as a Senate. Thank you.
Senator Onyonka, you could give us a...
Chair, I wouldn't want to extend this. I just wanted to say that, Governor, our job in this team is to interrogate money that we bring to you so that then the people who gave me a job and also gave you the job can be satisfied that we are guardians of that money. I want to say, Chair, thank you all for coming in, and I believe when we start the interrogation of these books, all shall be well. Thank you very much. And those of you who have come from Kisii, please travel well. And in case the governor doesn't buy you lunch, I could offer a cup of tea. Thank you.
I doubt he'll buy them lunch because he does not even want to spend on legal expenses. He wants Umtata to take on his cases. I think we'll bring it to a close. Auditor General, I hope the client is cooperating, showing up for meetings, providing documentation as required to avoid these situations where financials come the following year.
Thank you, Chair. There is a cooperation from the client in terms of going forward, provision of the information and also documentations that has made us to progress. Even for this meeting, there's some sufficient information that has been provided for us to have this meeting, which has now been scheduled.
Okay, so we shall set a proper date for a proper conversation on these reports. And EACC, we had asked you, just go on record because you had not introduced yourself.
Thank you, Chair. Patricia Chebet from the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, liaison officer attached to this committee.
I hope when we meet again, you will give us a proper update on the issues that have been referred to EACC. I think there are some HR issues and some insurance matters. So we'll give you time to prepare that before our next substantive engagement with the County Executive of Kisii.
Well noted, Chair.
There being no other business, the meeting is adjourned. We wish you a safe journey back home.